Everyone, you're welcome back to Gen C's channel. In this video today, I'll be sharing with you on how to make easy $300 per week. And just that, to make this, you're not even doing much. You just make it through chatting. Super amazing. So you just chat to make this amazing per week. So if it sounds interesting, make sure you watch to the end, because I'll be using my screen to show you this amazing website. And just quickly click on the link and join, okay, and start making massive results. Let's just dive in. So you can see that become a chat operator and work from anywhere. So it's worldwide. Do you like to write, or are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. Apply today for a job as a moderator for an online fantasy network. All you just need to do is to apply now. But let's just look at the application process so you know what I'm talking about. So how do you apply? You state for your application process here. Just simply write your first name, last name, email address, and your motivation. What's the reason why? And make sure it's up to 150 to 500 characters. Then you click on I agree to the terms and condition. But if you have the time, I also advise you to click on that private terms and condition or privacy policy, so you will read through and see what it is. And if you're not up to 18, then this website is not for you, because we're working with adult content. So once you're done with all this, you just immediately send your application. Then you get started in 3 simple steps. Easy application, then your ID verification. You must be over 18 years of age to be accepted and to receive payment. Exactly. So you also go through online training. It doesn't take time, it's not up to an hour. Then that's all. Then once you're done with that, then you're good to go. What will you be chatting about? Now, this is a job description. You will help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a more meaningful everyday life, expressing themselves online. And guess what, guys? In this platform, they won't even show you. You just be anonymous. Nobody knows you. You're not bringing out you're not showing your face. You're not using you're just chatting. You're not using your voice. So our users write online text message. That's just it. So nothing like calling on phone, nothing like doing any video call or something. So it's super safe. So you chat about everything from everyday life, such as sports, weather, to dreams, fantasy, and other topics. So an open mind is needed. So you need to know more of all this topics. So you need to research more, so you'll be able to have something to say. Then as a chat agent, look at it, that's another amazing thing. You'll be 100% anonymous. That means text only, no video, no voice. So you're secured. Then you work independently and with full flexibility. You also be the one to determine when you want to work. You'll be the one to determine how many hours you want, the days you want, how you want it. You'll be the one to placing all this. You earn more depending on how often you work. So the more you work, the more you earn. So you help those who need someone to talk to. You see that? So it's super amazing. Then after doing that, you just cash out. Now, what is the salary? Because it's important. As a chat operator in this website, this organization, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. You can also work from wherever you are, as long as you have access to your internet connection. So if you have your smartphone, you can do that. So there are different ways they reward. Apart from salary, this organization also reward people. Do you understand me? So the basic salary is calculated based on how many messages you reply to. Then after that, such like our rates per message depend on various factors such as time of day, traffic, holiday, and more. So it is hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but a skilled chat agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 times a week, can easily earn between, you see that, $200 and $500 weekly, while some of the top agents make more than that. Just let me underline that. You see, $3,000 a month. You can also make this. So the more you work, the more you earn. So it depends on your hard work. Now you'll be the one to decide your own salary. And again, apart from salary here, they have plenty of bonuses. Now look at the bonuses. We give out plenty of bonuses, and we have other incentives to add to what you can earn. For example, if you send over a certain number of messages, recruit a friend, or work at peak hour times, you get bonus for that. Flexibility, they strive in paying its chat equal or better than other chat operator services. You see that. So they also pay weekly, so it's super amazing. So just go ahead and click on register and start up immediately, and let me know in the comment section if you registered. And so look at the requirements you need to do this. So you just need to understand English language, that's just all, because you'll be communicating using English language. And again, you must be over 18 years, okay? And you need to know you need to accept their privacy statements during registration. And again, you need to send minimum messages. So all these things are super amazing. So you don't need any qualification. You don't need, so you see, it's super amazing. So week 1, as a new chat operator, you'll use some time to learn the system and what you will chat about. So then week 2, like that, you just go ahead and go through the system and go to application and apply and start cashing out, because it is legit. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Now, before I even go out of the site, let me show you what the testimony, what people are talking about here. Now, working as a chat operator offer many benefits. Here are some from our operators. Look at that. She has disability that made it hard for her to hold normal employment. Wow. So you see, this has helped her, to sit down and do her work and get paid. Look at this one too. So just go ahead and see, single mom. So super amazing. People are already saying good things about this. So just go ahead and do that. And remember, guys, ChatGPT can also help you do this. Once they ask you any question you don't understand, quickly go to ChatGPT and type in that question. Boom, it gives you the answer. You just go back there, copy it, bam, paste it there. That's all. So you're good to go. So the website I'm talking about is remotely for you, but I'll be dropping the link on the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so.